Ever heard of cybercrime as a service? Microsoft just crashed that party. In a major victory against cybercrime, Microsoft, along with LF Projects, has seized 240 websites from an Egyptian phishing operation known as ONNX. Led by the elusive MRXC0DER, these sites sold do-it-yourself phishing kits, targeting Microsoft customer accounts, especially in the financial sector. These kits weren't amateur hour. They used advanced techniques like adversary-in-the-middle attacks and QR code phishing to bypass security measures, including multi-factor authentication. Microsoft's Digital Crimes Unit, backed by a court order, took down these malicious sites, disrupting a key player in the phishing-as-a-service industry. But Stephen Masada from Microsoft warns, this won't stop cybercriminals entirely. They'll adapt, and so must we. This takedown highlights the importance of collaboration in fighting cyber threats. Microsoft and LF Projects have shown that with persistence and vigilance we can protect millions from data theft, financial fraud, and ransomware. Stay tuned for more updates on the ongoing battle against cybercrime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest in tech news.